Welcome. Today, we'll explore how to effectively use the Expert Option Demo account, an invaluable tool for both beginners and experienced traders. First, let's walk through the registration process. Start by visiting the Expert Option website and click on the Demo Account button. Once registered, you'll be greeted by the Demo Account interface. Here's where you'll find all the main features right at your fingertips. Navigating between various trading assets is straightforward. Use the Asset panel on the left to select your preferred trading options. In the demo account, you'll work with virtual funds. Let's break down how this works and the practical applications in trading. Now, let's go ahead and place your first trade. Choose an asset, select the amount, and make your decision. Utilizing the analysis tools is essential for trading success. Let's take a look at the charting options available in the demo account. Practicing with a demo account offers significant benefits, allowing you to gain confidence and test different strategies without financial risk. To maximize your experience, remember to treat your demo account like a real trading account. Create strategies, set goals, and track progress. Congratulations on exploring the Expert Option Demo account. As you feel more confident, it may be time to transition to real trading. Happy trading!